Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And today we will read the remaining part of determinants. And let's start the next topic: difference between matrix and determinants. First difference: matrix does not have any here, whereas determinants has a numerical value. It means determinants has a numerical value and matrix does not have any here. Okay. Second part, matrix is of any order. Matrix is of any order. It means 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 4 by 1, 5 by 1, 1 by 5. Okay. Whereas determinants is of order n by n only. It means 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay. Third difference, the value of the determinants remains unchanged if its row and columns are interchanged. The value of the determinants remains unchanged if its row and columns are interchanged. Okay. 3-point difference between matrix and determinants. Okay. Next point, minors and cofactor of determinants. Minors of determinants and cofactor of determinants. First, minors. Definition of minors and denoted by minors. Okay. The minors of an element Aij. The minors of an element Aij in matrix in determinant of A is defined as the value of the determinants obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column of determinant of A. It is denoted by Mij. It is denoted by Mij. It means minor. Okay. Again, the minors of an element Aij in date of A is defined as the value of the determinants obtained by deleting ith row and jth columns of date of A. It is denoted by Mij. For example, date of A. Determinant of A is equal to 1, minus 2, 3, 7, 0, 5, minus 3, minus 1, 4. Number of element in determinant A is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. Number of element in determinant is equal to 9. It means order of determinant 3 by 3 is equal to 3 into 3, 9. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And number of minors is equal to 9. Number of element is equal to 9 and number of minor is equal to 9. Same. Okay. Minor of element 3. First, minors of element 1. So, M1 1 over 1. 1 1, it means first row, first column, 1 element. First row, first column element is equal to 1. First row, first column element. M, it means minor. Okay. 1 1, position of element 1. M denoted by minus is equal to minus of element 1. It means leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1. Leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1. that is 0, 5, minus 1, 4. Okay, is equal to 0 into 4, 0, minus 5 into minus 1, minus 5. It means plus 5 is equal to 5. Minus of element 1 is equal to 5. Similarly, minus of element minus 2 implies m12 over minus 2. m12 it means 1 first row, 2 second column over minus 2. Position of element minus 2 is equal to 1 2. Position of element minus 2 is equal to 1 2. First row, second column. M it means minus. Okay, is equal to m12 over minus of element 2 is equal to leaving the corresponding row and column of element minus 2. Row 1, minus 2, 3. And column minus 2, 0, minus 1. Okay, deleting is equal to 7, 5, minus 3, 4. 7 into 4, 28. Minus 15, it means plus 15. Okay, 43. Minus of element minus 2 is equal to 43. Similarly, minus of element 3, it means m13 over 3. 1 3, position of element 3, 1 3, first row, third column. M minus of element 3 is equal to leaving the corresponding row and column, it means 7, 0, minus 5, minus 1. Okay, minus 7 minus plus 0 is equal to minus 7. Minus of elements 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus of element minus 2 is equal to 43. Minus of element 1 is equal to 5. Similarly, 7, 0, 5, minus 3, minus 1, 4. Okay. Numbers of elements in determinants A, 9, and numbers of minors in determinants A is equal to 9. Same. Next topic, cofactor. Cofactor, definition of cofactor and denoted by cofactor. The element Aij at the intersection of the ith row and jth column in any of the determinants is called a cofactor. It is denoted by Fij. It is denoted by Fij. Minors denoted by Mij and cofactor denoted by Fij. Okay. For example, formula of cofactor. Before formula of cofactor, Fij is equal to minus 1 to power I plus j into Mij, where Mij is minor of Aij in matrix A. It means determinant A. Okay, Fij, formula of cofactor, Fij equal to minus 1 to power I plus j into Mij. Okay, thus we have Fij equal to Mij if I plus j even positive, I plus j odd, it means negative. Okay, I plus j even, it means Mij positive, I plus j odd, it means Mij negative. For example, determinant A, number of element in determinant A is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of element in determinant A is equal to 9. It means number of cofactor in determinant A is equal to 9. Okay, number of element indeterminate A is equal to 9. Number of cofactor indeterminate A is equal to 9. For example, determinant A, cofactor of element 7. Cofactor of element 7. Cofactor of element 7. F 1/7. 1 position of element is 7. 1 it means first row first column, first row first column over 7. F it means cofactor. Okay, is equal to formula -1 to power I1 J1, it means 1 plus 1 into M11 is equal to -1 to power 1 plus 1 to even number, it means plus. Okay, M11 it means minor of element 7. Minor of element 7, first row first column, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 7 is equal to 3 0 minus 5 2 is equal to 3 into 2 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0 6. It means F11 over 7 is equal to 6. Cofactor of element 7 is equal to 6. Similarly, F12 over 4 is equal to 1 2, it means first row second column, first row second column over 4. Position of element for 1 2. F cofactor. Cofactor of element 4 is equal to formula of cofactor -1 to power I plus j, it means 1 plus 2 into M12. Okay, -1 to power 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 3 odd number, it means minus. Okay, M12 it means minor of element 1 2, minor of element 1 2 over 4, minus of element 1 2 over 4. 4 it means leaving the corresponding row and columns, that is -2 0 1 2. -1 to power 1 plus 2, it means minus. M12 is equal to -2 0 1 2 minus -2 plus 2 into -7 minus 0 -4 -0 -4 minus plus, it means cofactor of element 4 is equal to 4. Similarly, -1 F13 over -1, cofactor of element -1, 1 first row 3 third column. Okay, formula -1 to power 1 plus 3 into M13. -1 to power 1 plus 3, it means 1 plus 3 4 even number, it means plus. M13 minus of element 13 over -1. 13 position of element 13 is equal to -1. First row third column -1. Okay, leaving the corresponding row and column, it means -2 3 1 -5. Okay, plus minus 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Cofactor of element -1 is equal to 7. Similarly, -2 3 0 1 -5 and 2. Okay, number of element of indeterminate A is equal to 9 and number of cofactor indeterminate A is equal to 9. Topic complete. And next exercise 4.1, Question number first. For what value of k determinant date of a is equal to k2 for minus 3 will be 0. Okay, implies k2 for minus 3 is equal to 0. Find the value of k. Order of determinant is equal to 2 by 2. It means k into minus 3k minus 4 into 2 8 is equal to 0, implies minus 3k is equal to 8, implies k is equal to minus 8 by 3. That is answer of question number first. And question number second. If x, y, 2, 4 is equal to 0, then find x ratio y. Okay. Order of determinant is equal to 2 by 2. It means x into 4, 4x minus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 0, implies 4x is equal to 2y. X ratio y, it means x upon a y, implies 4x x upon y is equal to 2 by 4. Okay, implies x by y is equal to 1 by 2, implies x ratio y is equal to 1 ratio 2. That is answer of question number 2. Next question. Question number third. If 2, 3 yx is equal to 4 and x, y, 4, 2 is equal to 7, then find the value of x and y. Okay, implies determinant of first 2 into x, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, equation first, and determinant second 2x minus 4y is equal to 7, equation 2. From equation first minus 2, first minus 2, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, 2x minus 4y is equal to 7, minus plus minus cancel out, minus 3y plus 4y is equal to y is equal to minus 3. It means y is equal to minus 3. From equation first, 2x minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 4, implies 2x minus 3 into 3, 9, plus 9 is equal to 4, implies 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by 2. That is answer, x is equal to minus 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. If x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0, then find the value of x. Okay. Order of determinant is equal to 2 by 2. It means x minus 1 into x minus 3 minus x into x minus 2 is equal to 0, implies x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 minus x square plus 2x is equal to 0. X square cancel out. Minus 3x minus x minus 4x plus 2x. It means minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. And minus 2x is equal to minus 3. It means x is equal to 3 by 2. That is the answer of question number 4th. Okay. Next question, next video. And if you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in a next video. Thank you.